and welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Tourism Minister says this is too soon to audit performance of the ministers but shows willingness to step down if government needs. Prudent special report. It's Prudent Media Impact. 8 staffers of Sada Sub Jail transferred. Jailer suspended after expose of drugs used in the jail. Agwa the staffers to transferred. Union Cabinet gives 3-month extension to the Shah Commission probing illegal mining in Goa. Commission will submit final report. Centre to file an action taken report within 6 months. The forepart of the MOL Comfort finally sinks. The broken vessel sank 430 miles away from Indian coast. And gymnastics culture is shaping up under Krida Prabodhini initiative. Coach Deepti Kolwalkar aims to deliver National Games medalists. And now the news in detail. Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar has expressed dissatisfaction over audit of Cabinet's performance. He feels it is too soon to audit the ministers and his plans need at least 5 years to bear fruits. He was speaking in a weekly program, The Debate. However, he showed readiness to step down from his ministry if government needs. Independent MLA Naresh Sawal is of the opinion that government functioning wouldn't change even if the portfolios are changed.
तुमची एनालिसिस कितें की बदल जावपाचो गरज आसा कितली गरज आसा आणि सध्याचो परफॉर्मन्स कसो आसा
बदल करून व्हडलोसो फरक जातलो असो म्हाका दिसना कारण जे पळय आतां चलता तेच फुडें चलतलें आतां कितें चलतलें हें जर तुवें विचारशीत जाल्यार जो अधिकार मंत्र्यांक आसपाक जाय जी पावर आसपाक जाय ती पावर म्हाका दिसता मंत्र्या कडेन ना जर ती आसा जाल्यार ती परत ती फायल घेवंक मंत्र्यांक मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन परत वचचें पडटा
1.5 वर्सां भितर रिपोर्ट कार्ड तपासप जो म्हाका निवडून दिला हो 5 वर्सां खातीर दिला परत मंत्री केला हो म्हाका तरी खबर आसा की 5 वर्सां खातीर केला म्हणजे म्हाज्या तकलेन ज्यो 4 गोष्टी आहा पळय त्यो जर जाग्यार घालतलो जर ह्या टुरिझम क्षेत्रांत जर इम्प्लिमेंट करतलो जाल्यार म्हाका 5 वर्सांचो कालावधी येता मुख्यमंत्र्याच्या तकलेन एक्झॅक्टली कशें आसलें कोणा पर्यंत पावप कोणाक बेनिफीट आसपाक जाय ही जर फायल एखादी आयली आनी हे जर स्कीम आमी इम्प्लिमेंट करता आनी ही फायल जर म्हाका पोर्टफोलियो दिलो आनी ही फायल जर घेवन जर मुख्यमंत्र्या पर्यंत गेलो आनी डिस्कशन केलो मुख्यमंत्र्याची सायन घेतली जाल्यार तातूंत फरक कितें पडटा
म्हाका दिसता की 30-32 काय 33 काय 34 कितले पोर्टफोलियो मुख्यमंत्र्यान आपल्या कडेन आतां पर्यंत दवरल्या ते तांकां ते सांबाळपाची कॅपॅसिटी ना म्हणून ताणें आपल्या कडेन दवरल्या
अकस्मात एकदम अशी 1-2 दिसां भितर एक दिसा भितर सुरू जाली आनी ताका बॅकग्राऊंड अर्थात हांव जेन्ना मिडियांतल्यान विचार करता तेन्ना अशें कितें तरी घडून गेला त्याच्या गैरहजेरीन की सरकार पडटा काय कितें किंवा एक अशें जाता कितें आनी थंयच्यान ही एक्टिविटी सुरू जाली
4 दिसां पयलीं सुद्दां मुख्यमंत्र्याक हांवें सुद्दां सांगलेलें आहा म्हजो कलीग मिलिंद आसा पळय सरकाराक जर कसले प्रॉब्लेम आसा आमकां सांगा पयले म्हजे कडेन पयलीं हे मिलिंदा कडेन या सरकाराक प्रॉब्लेम आहा आमी स्टेप डावन जावपाक तयार आसा
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट
Department of IG Prisons has shifted 15 staff of Sada Sub Jail and Agwad Jail. Staff of Sada Jail have been transferred to Agwad Jail, whereas staff from Agwad Jail have been shifted to Sada Sub Jail. The transfer is on the backdrop of 2 different cases that happened in the jail. Food poisoning in Agwad Jail and drugs and assault case in Sada Sub Jail. Jailer and jail guard from Sada Jail have been suspended. Prudent had exposed the drugs trade inside the jail.
The preliminary investigation in Sada drugs and assault case and food poisoning case at Agwad is on. In Sada jail, Prudent had exposed supply of drugs in jail premises. Prudent had exclusively highlighted sting operation done by one of the inmates in the jail. There were also fights among 3 jail inmates. The South Goa District and Sessions Court has submitted report in this connection to the High Court. 8 staff personnel who were present on the day when drugs incident took place have been transferred to Agwa jail. Jailer Mahesh Fatte has been suspended. Similarly, jail guard Praveen Pednekar has been suspended in the assault case. Human Rights Commission had asked to keep aside the staffers who were present on the day inmates suffered food poisoning at Agwa jail for fair investigation. On this backdrop, IG Prison has transferred 7 staffers to Sada Sub Jail. The detailed investigation in both the cases will begin soon. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Devendra Gaukar for Prudent.
The Union Cabinet has approved 3 months extension to the Shah Commission, which is probing illegal mining in Goa. At the end of the extended tenure, the Commission will submit its third and final report on Goa mining before the Union Mines Ministry. Ministry will have to file an action taken report within 6 months of the Commission's report.
The centre had appointed Justice M.B. Shah Commission to inquire into the illegalities and unlawful mining in the states like Karnataka, Goa and Orissa. The commission was appointed on 22nd November 2010. The commission has already submitted 2 reports to the Union Ministry of Mines in 2 parts. First report was submitted on 15th March 2012 and the other on 25th March 2012. The Mines Ministry has already placed its action taken report before the Parliament and issued directions to the Goa government to weed out the illegalities in the mining sector. The commission is yet to submit its third and final report. The report is expected to pinpoint the illegalities, irregularities and the requisite action. Supreme Court had ordered a ban on mining in Goa considering the recommendations in the Commission's report placed before it by the NGO through a PIL. The term of Commission is extended for a period of 1 year after it expired on 16 July 2012. The Commission is expected to submit its final report by 16th of July, but now the Centre has extended its tenure by 3 more months. Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.